Guys, welcome to another video of King Soda Garage. Today we are going to do two repairs for a Porsche Boxster, which is an 18-year-old car. So the two repairs is that one of the main repair is the convertible roof, which is not working. The customer want to get it fixed to work properly as like stock. And then the second thing is that the customer is having some problems with the suspension noises and all. So we are going to replace all the four shock absorbers and the suspension bushers and arms and all. You can see this is the stud for the rear and the control arms for the front and rear. And the front stud, we are waiting for it. It's on the way. So first of all, we are going to do the convertible repair, which was stuck in between because of lack of parts. The car has got two body control modules, one for the front and one in the rear. So both of the modules has to be replaced because it has got some water entry in the car. So we are waiting for the part, and then the convertible repair is stuck on the way. So now what we are going to do is that by the meanwhile time, as we are waiting for the parts for the convertible repair, we are going to do the suspension jobs. So first of all, the front side, that's very easy to do that. But for the rear shock absorber, the rear studs, to remove the rear studs, we got 3 balls in there. For that, we have to remove this cover. For removing this cover, the convertible has to be worked properly, but it's not working, unfortunately. So we are removing the latch in between in here to open this cover to replace this struts and all. So my guys are working on it, and let's see how's it going. Peace.
With the proper tools and safety precautions, we removed the old shocks and springs. The new OEM grade rear suspension units were then fitted in place, restoring both ride quality and stability at back end of the car. Next up, the front suspension. The front end was showing signs of fatigue. clanging noise over bumps and unstable steering, just like in the rear. We removed the front wheels and disassembled the suspension setup. Old front studs were taken out and replaced with high quality aftermarket parts that match Porsche performance standards. This upgrade brought back the sharp, responsive steering that the Boxster is known for. With the shocks replaced, we moved on the control components. Both the control arms and link rods were worn and had developed minor play, a common issue in aging performance cars. We replaced all control arms and stabilizer link rods, ensuring tight and direct suspension feedback. The upper arms were also replaced. These components are crucial for maintaining correct camber and suspension geometry. Together, these upgrades bring back factory level handling precision and reduce stress on the chassis. After replacing the full suspension setup, proper wheel alignment and balancing is must. We aligned all four wheels using digital alignment tools to ensure everything sits perfectly. Toe, camber, and caster all adjusted to spec. Then we balance all wheels to eliminate any vibrations and ensure a smooth ride at all speeds. The result, a Porsche that drives like it just rolled off the showroom floor. We have done the test drive. The car is okay. The suspension, we have replaced the four suspension and the lower arms. Everything is okay now. The car is ready to deliver.